Good morning class, and now we are here to study grammar where we are studying tenses from many days, and today we are starting past continuous. In previous period we have studied past simples, every rules that were making positive sentence, rule number 1, negative sentence, rule number 2, and interrogative sentence, rule number 3. Now we are making sentences in past continuous tense. इसके लिए आपको पहले ये समझना पड़ेगा कि past continuous tense में हम किस तरह के वाक्यों का निर्माण करते हैं. मोस्टली जब कोई क्रिया भूतकाल में घटित हो रही थी, वो समय की क्रिया के बारे में अगर आप बात कर रहे हैं तो होता है पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. कंटिन्यूअस मतलब क्रिया जारी है और पास्ट में जारी. पास्ट में मतलब बीते हुए काल में वो जारी थी. ठीक है, जैसे इट वॉज रेनिंग आउट, फादर वॉज वर्किंग इन ऑफिस, मदर वॉज मेकिंग फूड इन किचन. So in the same way we will make today the sentences in past continuous tense. So what are the formulae for this? For making in past continuous tense, for making that positive sentence, rule number 1. Okay, it will be positive sentence. Rule number 2 will be negative sentence. Rule number 3 will be interrogative sentence. Okay, so these 3 sentences we are studying in past continuous tense. And what are the helping verbs? They also you have to remember. You have to remember the rules also and the helping verbs also. What are the helping verbs of past continuous tense? They are was and were. These are the helping verbs. Past continuous tense में जिन helping verbs का इस्तेमाल हम करेंगे वो है was और were. अब was किसके साथ यूज होगा? He, she, taught, it, and also are. And were we, they, we, you and other plural nouns. ठीक है, तो आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है कि पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में जब हमको वाक्य बनाना है तो was इस्तेमाल होगा he के साथ, she के साथ, it के साथ, यानी थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर के साथ प्लस फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर के साथ भी. और were जो है हेल्पिंग वर्ब होगा they, we, you, या फिर अगर आप प्लूरल नाउन्स लेते हैं, किसी का नाम भी हो सकता है, या जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं बर्ड्स के लिए आपको सेंटेंस बनाना है तो बर्ड एक सिंगुलर नाउन है लेकिन बर्ड्स प्लूरल नाउन हो जाएगा. तो बर्ड्स के लिए अगर आप पास्ट टेंस में सेंटेंस बनाएंगे तो क्या बोलेंगे आप? बर्ड्स वर फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई. लेकिन अगर सिंगुलर होगा तो बर्ड वाज फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई. ठीक है, तो ये एक का यूज आपको ध्यान में रखना है. नाउ वी विल सी रूल नंबर 1. Rule number 1, positive sentence. Subject plus was, were. ये तो आपको पता ही है कि आपको was या were दोनों में से कोई एक लेना है. depend upon the subject, which subject you are using as a which person you are using as a subject. Okay, तो अगर सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल है तो आपको वर लेना है, सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है तो थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है या आई है तो आपको वॉज लेना है। सब्जेक्ट प्लस वॉज, वर प्लस बिफोर प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। ठीक है, यहाँ पर आपको वर्ब का फोर्थ फॉर्म यूज करना है। बिफोर आपको पता है, आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑलवेज, V1 इज go, V2 is went, V3 is gone and V4 is going. Okay, so this V4 आपको यहाँ पर लेना है। So let's see the examples. First example, the clone was showing amazing antics. Antics का मतलब होता है हरकतें, क्रियाएं। ठीक है, तो क्लोन क्या कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा था? The clone was showing amazing antics. Clown means that joker who makes laugh to the audience in circus, that is clown. So clown was showing amazing antics. Second, it was raining heavily. मतलब जोरदार बारिश हो रही थी। Third, they were playing out. And Gita was studying, STUDYING, Gita was studying with her friends. Okay, so you have to make such examples, maximum examples. I have made four for you, but you have to make maximums. And in my previous class I had given you some homework. I hope that you have completed. You must complete it every day. You have to complete, because when you will come to school we will check that. And sometimes you have to send the photocopies on the that group also that we have made for you. So understood the sentences? The clown was showing amazing antics. It was raining heavily. They were playing out. Gita was studying with her friends. So these all sentences are belonging to past continuous tense, जहाँ पर क्रिया भूतकाल में शुरू थी. Okay, students. Now let's turn towards rule number 2, that is negative in past continuous tense. How to make a negative sentence in past continuous tense? So rule number 2 is making of a negative sentence. And the formula is subject plus was or were plus not plus before plus object. Okay, so according to this formula you have to make the sentence. What can be the example? if you were there in class, you could say, "Ma'am, may I tell one? May I tell one?" But now today we don't have that real classroom. Even then, you have to try. When you will watch this class on your phone, you will try for maximum sentences that you have to make by your own. Okay, students. So let's see about first example. In rule number 2 means negative sentence in past continuous tense. It is Sham was not playing flute. शाम बांसुरी नहीं बजा रहा था. Second, grandmother was not telling stories to us. Third, birds were not flying in the sky. And fourth, it was not thundering, thundering, thundering loudly. Okay students, so see the formula and see the examples and try for making maximum examples. Okay, so see the first example. The first example is Sham was not playing flute. So the second example, students, and grandmother was not telling stories to us. Grandmother is subject, was is helping verb, not you have added here for making a negative sentence, telling is before, and stories object. Okay, and us also. Then birds were not flying in the sky. आसमान में चिड़िया नहीं उड़ रही थी. It was not thundering loudly. So you have to note down these all examples. And now we will move towards rule number 3, that is an interrogative sentence in past continuous tense. Okay, students? Now, rule number 3, interrogative sentence. So, the formula is was, were, plus subject, plus before, plus object. Okay, and plus question mark. Question mark is very important in an interrogative sentence. You must put it at the last of the sentence. At the front of the sentence, you have to take helping verbs of that tense. Okay, so what are the helping verbs of that past continuous tense? Was and were. Now let's see the examples. Suppose if I have to write about rain, as it is raining heavily, if I take it as a past event, I can ask a question like that: was it raining heavily? So we can make question like this: was it raining heavily? Second, were they learning tenses. Were they learning tenses? Third was Shiva dancing well. And fourth were they listening? Were they listening Indian music? Okay students, so these are very simple examples to understand past continuous tense and making of an interrogative sentence in past continuous tense. Okay, so firstly you have to do what? Was, were plus subject plus before plus object. Was it raining heavily? Were they learning tenses? Was Shiva dancing well? Were they listening Indian music? मतलब जहाँ पर आपने सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट लिया है, थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर लिया है, उसके लिए आपने was को यूज किया है. फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर के साथ भी was यूज होगा और बाकी सब के साथ were यूज होगा. मतलब प्लूरल्स के साथ, we के साथ, you, they के साथ, you के साथ. ओके, सो ये आपको याद रखना है. देन आपके लिए बहुत आसान होगा पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में इंट्रोगेटिव, पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाना. ओके, नाउ इट्स टाइम टू टेक होमवर्क. Your homework is make sentences in past continuous tense. Okay.